Want to know how to create a post or blog post in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply head towards your WordPress.com and open up your dashboard of your WordPress. So if you don't know how to, we have also created a video on it. You need to just simply head towards site and open WP admin. Now once you're there, here you should be seeing various options on the left side. Now just simply hit towards post right here. Now once you're under post, here you can see your current blog or post right here. For me it's hello world simply. Now since we are adding a new post, so simply select add post right here. Now once you've selected add post, an editor should open up. Now when the editor opens up, here you can just simply add a title. Now once you've written enough article, here you can also type in a blog, change paragraphs and much more. Here you can also see this plus button right here. You can just simply add paragraph, images, heading and much more with it. You can also browse all of it, and right here just scroll down until you find the right one and add it. Just like that, super simple and easy. And once you're done, just simply select publish right here. Now select publish again, and once that is done, your post should be published and you can just view it by selecting this right here on the bottom left side. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.